morning. So, foggy windows. It's a cold morning, but we're off to Classic Motor Hub in Cirencester because it's right down the road for me and it's a good opportunity to get the golf out. Similar sort of thing as like caffeine and machine, cool cars, bit of coffee, and off we go. Now, I washed the car yesterday, as you've probably seen, because it was disgusting. The first time it's been washed since, August. So yeah, that wasn't very clean. It's going to get dirty again today because the roads are minging, but it's not a show queen using the car. Gearbox wise, obviously we rebuilt the gearbox with our 5th gear mod, and I am over the moon with the 5th gear mod. At the moment, what I'm doing, whether you can see or not, 50 mile an hour, I'm under 2,000 RPM. Absolutely fantastic. As soon as you shift into 5th, it just goes quiet. It's beautiful. So we'll do a bit of a montage drive in there, and then yeah, we'll have a walk around and see what cool cars we can find.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto Hatherop Lane.
So we got here nice and early. Some right motors. And the Golf is parked over the back. So if you're a fan of 80s cars, like you probably are, you might recognise this silver Ford Capri. And there's also a gold Ford Capri next to it. These are the two Ford Capris that are actually in the professionals. I've watched that growing up. And these are fully restored, immaculate cars, which actually from the production. This is it, the silver, the 3 litre S, the professionals. Beautiful cars. I do love a Ford Capri. And again, just on this little pot here, you got special vehicle orders, the professionals. Now we also got some beautiful cars in this place. Little MG there, a couple of old things there, don't know what they are, but they were cool. A BMW, like an era sort of touring car, it's pretty cool, immaculate. And your typical sort of Astons and a big massive American pickup. Not a nice sort of range of cars here. They sell some, store some, and then obviously people have brought their cars and a few bikes. Now this is cool, I saw this in the car park. Nice wide arch, and of course an Audi. Nice fat arches, nice wheels. The front was a bit strange, but again, it's your 80s, 90s era, and a nice Audi, pretty stock. I do love a classic Range Rover. Absolutely love them, whether they're the early type like this or the later type later on. Classic Range Rovers are just classics to me. I love them. Now this purple TR6 and a Corrado VR6 and a nice Audi Quattro. This sounded beautiful. This sounded good too. A lot of nice cars there. Bone stock Corrados are really nice. There you go, there's the actual colour of the TR6, purple. And another classic Rangy, bit newer, but still a classic, and a Triumph Stag. This MGB GT sounded awesome. V8 stuck inside it, beautiful blue colour. And yeah, absolute right burble on it when it came in. And of course, a Lotus Cortina. If you know cars, you know these are absolute diamonds. Weigh nothing. Serious power plant. It will not hang around on a track. Ford Capri again. I do love a Ford Capri. Nice big Merc and an amazing Mark II Golf. Didn't manage to speak to the guy, but it was an absolute beautiful little car. And an Aston come in. Now this was cool. This was when racers were racers. There's no floor pans there. Your feet are right by the gearbox and prop shaft. Crazy. It's loud when it came in. Good loud, but loud. And a daily use Aston Martin Vantage, I think these ones are, I can't remember now. And the Merc's changed to a Land Rover. And before we leave, an M3 and an E-Type. Really nice set of cars. See you again. Cheers, thank you. Classic motor hub. Absolutely fantastic turnout of cars. It really was. Bit cold, but hey ho. On a plus side, the fog's gone. It's a bit warmer, and I can see where I'm going, so we can start pushing the Golf a bit more. So that's what we love doing best. Find my way home, bit of montage, and then I'll see you in the next one where we're doing something else probably. Cheers for watching. That fifth gear is absolutely game changing. So 70 mile an hour, we're at 2,500 RPM. 60 mile an hour, we're at 2,000 RPM. As soon as you put it in fifth gear, quiet mode, it just goes quiet. Amazing. So you can hoon around, race around, make some noise, pop it in fifth. Just a little bit of respite. Beautiful, absolutely love it. And obviously I've got the lightweight flywheel on now, so the engine picks up so much quicker. Perfect combination that is. Just need the car to get out of the way. Doop. I need a new head unit. I didn't clean it really, I think. Second gear out to red line. I love it. Whether that's just I've missed the car or the lightweight flywheel, but it's second gear now. Just pick up. It goes. It sounds awesome. Gearbox is feeling beautiful. Could trying to be as gentle as I can on third and fourth change. We're into third. If we break it, we break it. Broke it last time we fixed it and improved it.